We have here Hyde and Eek Boutique Haunted Mansion Cat Scratcher. And I'm putting this together for the cat's Halloween. First we pull out these different boards that will make the house. Pull out the different scratching material, different sizes. Then get to the important part, reading the instructions. Step 1, remove protective film from double-sided tape of main panels A and B. Connect main panels A and B by folding sides and inserting tabs into slots as shown. Bend this panel, the side of it, so we can attach by peeling off the tape and then putting in the tabs into the slots. That's one. And this is the second one we have to do it too. Remove the tape so we can put we take the first one, pull off the tape, this is the first side that I just put together. I peeled off the tape, put the tabs into the slots and pushed the two pieces together, rubbing my fingers on both sides, pressing together so it'll grab and hold. Then go on to the second corner and do the same procedure. We've completed the second side, pressing the two boards together where the twin stick tape is on the inside. Now we go to step 2. Step 2 says completed panels over the sides of large rectangular corrugated board as shown. Use double-sided tape to attach both sides. Here I'm peeling off the double-sided tape from the bottom corrugated board. Put it down and put the panels that I just put together over it, like so. And then press the panels to the corrugated board where the twin stick tape was, so it holds it in place. Go back and forth a few times, pressing it in. Step number 3, attach front panel C to completed panels by folding sides and inserting tabs into slots as shown. Down and in. Step number 4, fold platforms and insert into top slots of completed panels as shown. Fold over panel 1, then fold panel 2. Underneath it, repeat on both sides. Step number 5, attach roof on top of completed panel by inserting tabs into slots as shown. Use double-sided tape to secure the roof. Last step, add small square corrugated block. This corrugated block rests on the platforms below it. There we have it, our completed haunted cat scratching house. Here's the completed house. Happy Halloween to Stella, Boo, Simba, and Splash. Hope you enjoy your Halloween house.